Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, Crafting My Way. Today I'm going to be doing a wreath for my front door using these three colors. I got the mesh from Hobby Lobby, and I got my wire ring, the wreath ring from the Dollar Tree. And here I'm only using the three colors. I have this mixture. I had some from last year and I bought new. And this is a different mixture of different pinks, the dark, light, medium, different pinks, which I really like these. And I'm also going to use a light pink and also use a white. So here I'm going to measure like 10 inches of the mesh and get it all cut out, I'm sorry. And then I'm going to use about 6 with the wire rack, making the bows, and I'm going to use about 6 to each section. You will see as I go along here. So I would just, get them all cut out. Sometimes it's easier to just get them cut out, and sometimes I do that. Cut them out ahead. To me, it just saves so much time with doing that. So I will cut them out and roll them and pinch them in the center and then tie them to my rack, to my ring. So I'm just gonna cut them out here. And right here I've rolled some, and you just roll them. I'm rolling them and twisting them in the center, and with my chenille stems just tying them. And I'm also using the two middle rings is what I'm using. I'm putting them in the two center rings, and you will see that here. And I did cut some of my chenille stems, which it turned out easier. I really wished afterward I had not cut them, but it does turn out okay toward the end. So I'm just going to twist them here, and you'll see here where I'm using the two in the center. Very, very simple. And I'm using like a section of each section. I'm going to put 6 in each section. And this is the finishing of my wreath for my front door. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And now I'm going to jump right into my next video. Okay, now right here is a Valentine box that I got last year from my husband. For Valentine's Day, one of the little sweet candies. But I just didn't know what I wanted to do, but I do know I did not want to throw it away. So I decided to glamour it up a little bit. And I got the I don't know what to call it, glamour jewelry. It's not beads, but please put a description what you all call it, and I'm sure it's a name other than glamour thing. But anyway, I got a big bundle, as you can see here, from Amazon. I can't remember the price, but I thought it was kind of reasonable, so you have, a big bang for your bucks here. And so I decided with the box, I didn't want to throw it. It was nice and cushiony, and I just couldn't see myself throwing it away. So I had 2 of them, and so the other one I do add flowers, which you will see that one later. And this one I just decided to add, my little glamour here to it. And I have a little heart that was on another project that I did previously, and I removed that, and later I would add it to the center with a nice little white bow, and I thought it turned out so cute. And so this year I'm kind of going with red, pinks, and white. So please put in my comment box below what colors are you sticking to, the traditional Valentine colors? Are you going with your decor from, whatever you have in your home, or just neutral, or what, farmhouse? Exactly what are you doing with your colors this year? One thing I did find out that works sometime, if you have a lot of reds and whites from Christmas and you go into your Valentine Day, you still can use a lot of things from that, and that's what I did, because I have one Christmas tree that I keep up year round in my dining room, and I change it, of course, with the seasons, and so I had a lot of red and white and silver, so it really worked out nicely when I did the tree. The only thing I had to do is take the things that were so Christmassy away, the little Christmas things, and just add hearts and things, so it come out really cute, and you will see that later in one of my videos. But I really like the way it turned out, and this was quite I should have been using I should have used, which I have the little thumble things for your fingers for the hot glue gun, because it did get a little warm. And sometimes I'm so guilty of buying things that I really need, and sometimes don't just grab it. So here I find it was at some point, sometimes it got kind of hot for me, burning my fingers. But anyway, but it turned out nice, and I thought it was a cute idea. So I'm glad I was able to save my box. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And just let me know what you would have did differently if you had the box. Just let me know. And this is the finishing of my box, and I think it turned out so cute. I added my little hearts and my little heart to it. And this is the other box I was telling you guys about. I added the flowers, and I'm sorry, the bows to that, and I thought it came out cute. I will show you that later. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.